In this video, we're going to be looking at Forex indicator properties in Expert Advisor Studio. And what you can see is on the screen, we have a strategy. Now, each of the Forex indicators that you can add to your strategy has a set of logical rules and parameters so that you can define your entry and exits. The strategy that we have on the screen now is one that was created in Expert Advisor Studio. However, this applies to creating a new strategy as well. So in this example, what you can see is that for our entry rules, we have directional indicators. And if we click on that, what you'll see is here are the logical rules and parameters that you can change for this indicator. You can also change the period, and each indicator has its own set of logical rules and parameters. From here, you can add an indicator. You have a choice of many indicators, and each of these indicators has its own set of parameters that you can select. Remember, as we mentioned in the previous video, that your short entry and short exits will mirror your long entry and long exits. So let's look at another indicator. Let's add an indicator to our strategy. So very simply, you just click on the add a new entry rule. What you'll see is that you have a list of available indicators. Let's select envelopes for this example. What you'll then see is you have your logical rules for the indicator. Below that, you have your parameters. This is the list of the parameters. And below that, you have your numeric parameters. All of the indicators that you can see here will have a list of default values or default parameters. Let's have another look at quite a popular indicator, and this is the moving average. So if we select, let's go with a standard moving average, what you'll see is that under the logical rules, you have a number of options. It has moving average rises or falls, the bar opens above the MA, the bar opens below the MA, and so on. You then have an MA method, which is simple, weighted, exponential, or smoothed. And then you can apply to the close, low, high, open, etc. And you have your periods. Once you have set your parameters for the indicator, you can click on accept. What you'll see is that your balance chart changes, your equity line changes. If you are not happy with the results, you can go back in and you can edit the parameters, or alternatively, you can just click on the X, close it, and it will take you back to where you were. All of the indicators that you'll see when you add a new entry rule are the most popular in MetaTrader.